Oh my God, ba't ako naiiyak? Ba't ba ako naiiyak? Naiinis ako. Mwah! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey, and for today's video, I'll be showing to you my life as a cabin crew during this pandemic time. So I'm currently here in Australia, and I just landed. It's currently 12:30 midnight already, and I'll be staying here for 24 hours. So I'll be leaving tonight din, since midnight na nga. So alis ako mamayang gabi. So yun, here in Australia, it's mandatory for you to do 14 days quarantine. But since I'm here for work and I'm not residing here in Australia, those operating crew will have to do self-isolation in their respective hotel rooms. So andito lang ako sa hotel room ko for the whole stay. I cannot go out, I cannot show you Australia, and walang travel vlog kumbaga na mangyayari. This is not the most interesting vlog as well you'll see in my channel, since hindi ko nga kayo matutour sa layover ko. But I wanna show you what's really happening right now and yung life din namin as a cabin crew since pandemic nga. So ayun, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna shower first, and I'll get back to you once I'm done taking a shower. Hi guys! So I'm done taking my shower and I'm already in my pajamas. And as you can see, nakahiga na ako sa kama. You know, the best feeling after a long flight is taking a hot shower and then lying down on your bed. Ang sarap sa feeling. Even though hindi naman ako nag-operate ng flight since I'm deadheading. Pero ayun nga, ang sarap lang niya sa feeling kasi nga 14 hours is 14 hours pa rin. Ang haba ng flight. Pero anyways, I was seated in the business class and I have nothing to say. Sobrang sarap pala talagang mag-travel in business class because the comfort it gives you, the way na you can stretch your legs, your body, you can stretch at talaga, and you can lie down when you're sleeping, and alam mo yun, sobrang comfortable, and you have your space, personal space. Unlike when you're in economy and you're traveling for like 14 hours. Ang haba nun, ang haba. So, ayun na nga. I just wanna show you my room. Just ayan. So this is my bed, and then ayan, I have 2 chairs here, and that's the window. I'll show you the view tomorrow since gabi naman wala kayong makikita. I don't know kung para saan to, newspaper ba yan, magazine, or shurak. And then ito, isang buong cabinet to, pero na-open to. So ayun yung TV sa loob. Tapos we have drawers here. This one is a mini bar. I have closet here. I'm not gonna show you. And I have my area dyan. So, ayun. Let's go to the bathroom. I'm gonna show you my bathroom kasi maganda rin yung bathroom. Ayan. Welcome to my bathroom. I have a bathtub over here. This is the toilet. I have a shower room. And then, my mirror. By the way, guys, they have a television. So, kapag nagbabathtub ka, pwede ka manood. And they have a chair. Ang ganda nito. Sabi ni Mara, iuwi ko na daw to. Ayan. So, para pag nagmi-makeup ka, pwede ka umupo. Uy, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Nakakaganda. Ayan. And then, they have a lot of toiletries because usually, the crew who stays here stays for 5 days. So, ayun. That's just my hotel room. So, actually, I ordered a room service and I'm just waiting for my room service. So, guys, this vlog will not really be the most interesting vlog. Parang kanina ko pa siya pinapaulit-ulit. But, I just wanna show you. So, ayun, sorry. Tumawag lang yung room service. Then, sinabi na lang, nag-ready na yung order ko. So, ayun nga. I just wanna ask, how are you guys? How are you coping up with the pandemic? And, how are you really feeling? For me, to be honest, wala na, tumutunog na yung tiyan ko. Naririnig ko na siya. Ingay niya. Shh! Quiet! For me, actually, the first few months of pandemic, I was actually okay. Especially that Yung flights kasi namin, everyday. And then, yung off days lang namin, laging 8 days lang. 8 days sa isang buwan. And then, nung nagkaroon yung pandemic, for me, medyo naging okay siya somehow. Kasi yung flight schedules namin, naging madaming off. Ang daming nagka-cancel na flights. Alam yun. But, having a lot of days off for 6-7 months is too much already. So, usually, my flying hours would go from 80 to 110. Then, right now, ang flying hours ko is 20 flying hours. Imagine, 20 hours. Ang laki nung changes and ang laki nung difference nung dalawang yon. However, I cannot complain because at the end of the day, I still have my job. I'm happy that I'm getting flights even though parang 1 week day off and then meron akong isang flight, then 1 week day off, isang flight. Happy ako dun. Kasi mas okay na ganito kesa ma-lay off ako or mawala ng work. A lot of people lost their jobs already, not only international but also back home in Philippines. Hindi lang sa aviation industry, ang daming naapektuhan, all kinds of businesses, sobrang bumagsak. Pero ayun nga, a lot of people are asking me as well why they should continue being a flight attendant despite what's happening right now in the aviation industry. Because they're telling us na yung aviation industry, hindi siya babalik to normal agad-agad. It will take like 2-3 years bago siya maging normal since wala pang vaccine, wala pang medication, and andyan pa rin yung COVID. Lumalala siya everyday. The only thing that is constant is change. So, hindi tayo magsusstay sa ganitong phase na puro COVID, nagle-lay off. Dadating tayo sa point na meron tayong ma-discover na vaccine. Oh my God, ba't ako naiiyak? Ayan, may ma-discover tayong vaccine. So, whatever dreams you have right now, if you're aspiring to be a flight attendant, to be a lawyer, to be a doctor, or to whatever dreams that you have right now, don't let this pandemic stop you from dreaming because this pandemic will not be forever. It won't stay long. Ba't ba ako naiiyak? Naiinis ako. Ayun nga. This will not be forever. Dadating yung point na magiging okay din lahat. For example, let's say you're in 4th year high school. After siguro sabihin natin 6 years, okay na yung aviation industry for sure. Pag naging college ka, okay na ulit yon, magbo-boom na ulit yung aviation industry. So if you wanna be a flight attendant, always go for it. Kasi, wait lang. I got my food, so let's eat. Wait. I'm gonna change the location kasi kaloka. Dumating yung room service. But anyways, it's better kasi naiiyak na nga ako. So as I was saying, if you're aspiring to be a flight attendant, if you're in high school or in college, in 4-6 years from now, or kapag dumating na graduate ka, everything will be back to normal. I mean, everything will be okay. It will be better compared to what we're experiencing right now. So it's better for you to study hard, achieve your dreams, watch my vlogs or other cabin crew vlogs to motivate you to still dream of becoming a flight attendant. I'm gonna tell you, I work in the office before and I don't really like working in the office. For me, it's just a routine. Actually, yung work din naman namin is at some point magiging routine siya. Pero everyday, bago yung katrabaho mo. Everyday, bagong pasahero. Everyday, different flight. So, some days, I'm going to Paris. Then, the next day, I'm going to New York. Alam mo yun? Like, 1 week ago, I was in Manila. Right now, I'm in Australia. Next week, I don't know where I'm going. So, alam niyo yun, andun pa rin yung excitement na I'm going to these places. Every week, I have a new place to discover. I have a new place to go to. Iba yung feeling na ganon, than being stuck in the office. I mean, I have nothing against those people who choose to do an office work. I'm so proud of you. But for my case, hindi ako pwede sa ganun. Kasi nga, hindi ako pwedeng nakaharap lang sa computer all day. Hindi ako pwedeng alam niyo, nakakuba, ganun. Alam niyo, hindi ko kaya yon kasi it's not healthy for my eyes. It's not healthy for my back. So, ayun nga, for those of you who are still dreaming to become a flight attendant, I would suggest you to pursue it. Guys, kain muna ako kasi ayoko naghihintay yung food and it's not right to do something else kapag kumakain. So, I'll get back to you later. Narinig niyo yun? Grabe yung tiyan ko. Gutom na gutom. So, how about for those aspirants who graduated already or who's about to graduate this year or next year? So, I know you guys, you feel frustrated, you feel lost, and you feel pressured. At some point, isipin nyo, bakit ba ako nag-flight attendant? Bakit this time pa na kung kailan tapos na ako mag-college? I was about to start reaching my dreams, pero nangyari tong COVID. Take this as an opportunity to learn new things and to discover more about yourself. To try to improve yourself. Like, for example, if you lack in English, speaking fluent English, try to learn English. Alam yon, if you wanna learn a different language or if you're planning to, for example, if you wanna work for Japan Airlines or Cathay Pacific, try to learn Japanese, Nihongo, or Chinese. Everything is a learning process. It doesn't stop just because you cannot achieve your dreams right now. Dati kasi ang mindset ko is, dapat flight attendant lang, flight attendant, flight attendant lang. Pero parang, I tried another job first, a different job, before ako maging flight attendant. Then, actually, that job helped me a lot because I was a recruiter and I was applying to become a flight attendant. So, obviously, I know what the recruiter wants. I know what the recruiter wants to hear. I know what a recruiter doesn't want to hear. I know what the recruiter is looking for an applicant because I was a recruiter. So, actually, that job helped me to be prepared for that application day. So, if it weren't for that job as well, I wouldn't be here. Nung binabalikan ko yung mga previous applications ko, feeling ko I was so baby. Yung parang, alam niyo yun, yung parang caterpillar pa lang ako. I'm not a fully grown butterfly who's ready to spread her wings. Pero during those 6 months of stay in my previous job, sobrang dami ko natutunan. In your life, you will really experience delays. Those delays will actually help you to really think if you really want to pursue this job or to pursue this dream. Those delays will help you to process and to develop the skills you lack. So, in case when your time comes para makuha mo yung dream mong yun, you will be so ready to the point that when the recruiter sees you, they know that you should be their cabin crew. Delays and failures, I experienced a lot of those. It's part of the journey. It's part of my journey. And without those delays and rejections, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I wouldn't be the person I am right now. And I'm really grateful for those airlines who rejected me because they just showed me and parang sinampal nila sa face ko na, hey, why are you applying for us? This is not what you've been praying for. This is not your dream company. So, ayun. Also, those applications helped me para magkaroon ako ng sa kung paano ba yung application process ng pagiging cabin crew. I got my food. And my milk tea. Ay, tingnan niyo yung chopstick nila, hindi naka-plastic. I have my miso soup. Rice. Ang unti ng rice. Tagtipid. Sana mabusog ako dun sa rice na yun. I ordered the bento box. This one is a Wagyu beef. I haven't tried Wagyu beef yet, pero gusto ko siyang itry ngayon. I know hindi naman tayo super high class na Wagyu beef, but anyway. So, ayan, pickled something. Mayonnaise ata to. And then, I'm not sure what this is. So, ayun nga guys. I'm already prepared. Actually, I already packed my things. And susuotin ko na lang yung uniform ko. So, that's it. That's my stay. So, ayun na yun. That's 24 hours already. And, hindi naman ganito everyday. I mean, depende siya sa flight mo and sa schedule mo as well. Hindi lahat nag-stay na 24 hours. There are other flights na more than 24 hours yung stay. Kasi nga, less flights kami since nga may pandemic and yung demand ng mga customers hindi naman ganun kadami. Para din mabawasan yung ginagastos ng company and yung aircraft na ginagamit, yung fuel, yung binabayad sa mga crew. So, ayun ang ginagawa nila. Nagbabawas sila ng flights. And for this sectors, Australia, hindi siya everyday flight. So, parang 4 times a week ata siya or 3 times a week. So, that's it. That will be all for this vlog. I do hope that you still enjoyed and somehow I made sense in telling you bakit kailangan nyo pa rin maging flight attendant, and I hope I really help you in motivating why you should pursue your dream to become a flight attendant. And yeah, this pandemic will not be forever. I know this will end soon, and they were actually testing a vaccine already. Let's hope for the best, and sana okay na yung vaccine na yun to be released in the public. And ayun lang, the only thing I want you to do right now is to be safe and to be healthy, because if you're not healthy and you're not safe right now, magkakaroon tayo ng problem in reaching your dreams. So health is wealth, and also prioritize your mental health. I know it's really hard to be in a good state right now, but I'm hoping that you're still trying your best to do so. And as long as you're trying naman, yun yung important, regardless of the outcome or regardless of kung hindi nyo man maabot yung gusto nyong ngayon. As long as you're trying, it's a good start already and it's a good sign. Ayun, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!